Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to the third video in the new car details series featuring this brand new Tesla Model Y. In today's video, we're going to be adding some protection to the exterior glass. The product I'm using is so good and so easy to use, you do not want to miss it. To get started, the first thing I'm going to do is clean the glass and get it ready for the coating. For that, I'm going to be using Stoner's Invisible Glass, which is by far one of my favorite glass cleaners. To make sure I get a streak-free finish, I'm going to be teaming it up with a waffle weave glass towel from the Rag Company. Now these towels are great, and I always have 3 or 4 of them on hand whenever I'm working on glass. When it comes to using the invisible glass, you can either spray it onto your towel like I am here, or you can spray it directly onto the glass. It doesn't make much of a difference either way, so try it out and pick a method that works best for you. Whichever way you choose, you should then use the towel to work the cleaning solution across the window. If you're noticing any streaks when you're done, just flip the towel over and buff the window again. Remember how I said you can spray this stuff directly onto the glass? You still can, but here's one of the drawbacks to that approach. You can see here that I got some overspray on the window trim and also on the paint. This stuff cleans up easy, so it's not a big deal, but this is one of the reasons why I usually spray it onto my towel as opposed to directly onto the glass. If you have a Model Y, or any other car for that matter, that doesn't have an upper door frame surrounding the window, I would highly suggest opening the doors when cleaning the windows. This will allow you to get any areas that might otherwise be tucked up into the weather stripping. With the cleaning done, it's time to coat the glass. For this step, I'll be using Gtechniq G1. This product has amazing hydrophobic properties, and it will last anywhere from 1 to 2 years once applied. When you buy G1, it also comes with G2, which is used to remove the coating residue. I'll show you some more of that later on in the video. Gtechniq also provides a few of their lint-free applicator pads, but since there's so much glass on this car, I'm going to instead use a microfiber applicator like this one here. When I said this product was easy to use, I meant it. Just put a few drops on one of the provided applicators and then buff it onto the glass using circular motions. Once you finish the entire windshield, wait about 15 minutes and then apply a second coat. Gtechniq recommends applying a total of 3 coats on the windshield and then 1 coat on each of the side windows. I should also add that this product comes in 2 different sizes. The 15 milliliter bottle runs for around $20 and is enough for a standard size car or SUV. The 100 milliliter bottle, which is what I've been showing you in this video, runs for about $70 and should be enough for between 5 to 6 vehicles. In this case, we have the glass roof to worry about as well. To do this car properly, including at least 2 coats on the roof, I'm going to use the equivalent of 2 15 milliliter kits. After you are done with applying G1 and have given it at least 15 minutes to cure, we're going to use G2 to remove the coating residue. G2 is just as easy to use. Just put a couple drops on a clean applicator or glass towel and then use it to buff away the remaining residue. You'll notice that G2 cleans up the windows very quickly. Just one suggestion when using it though. Depending on the lighting situation, some of the residue can be difficult to see. I would highly suggest looking at the glass from multiple angles or even while sitting inside the car to ensure you're able to remove it all. I'm just wrapping up the rear window here, but I've already gone around and have removed all the remaining residue. In just a moment, I'll bring you in a little closer so you can see this coating in action. Spoiler alert, this is not the Tesla I've been working on in this video. In fact, this is my girlfriend's Toyota RAV4. The coating here is exactly the same though. I applied G1 to this car back in June of this year, and after 3 months, the coating is still holding strong. Overall, this is a fantastic product. If you want to try this yourself, I've added links to all of the products I used in this video in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any of my future content. In the next video, I'll be wrapping up the detail series by applying a ceramic coating to the Model Y. That car turned out great, so you definitely don't want to miss out. Until next time, this is Ryan with Allison Detailing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.